Hey guys, Craig here from Kabooyaa. I had a client ask me how do they add a favicon to their website in Kabooyaa. It's quite easily. So favicon, if you can see up the top here, is a little image that comes on the tab next to the name of the actual website. So we're going to go to the website they want to add it to. Click on the website in Sites. You go to Settings. And just here it says Favicon URL, you put in the URL of the Favicon. However, we need to get that Favicon URL first. So what we need to do is go to Marketing. No, go to Sites. And they've already uploaded the image. But if we go here, if you don't already have the image here, the image they want to use is this one here. But we just go here to upload file. If you don't already have it, there it is there. Click on that, open. It'll upload. There it is. Now, what we need to do is get the link, okay? Then we go back. Get out of here. Go back to Sites. Open up the page, go to Settings. Just paste in the link that we want there and we hit save. Now, if we open that up in a new tab, you'll notice now that up here we should have the image. And there it is. That's the image there, and it's added to their website. So that's how you do it. Thanks a lot.